not finished, you had a good riff here and then a good chorus. And sometimes you just get the spark and you go, well, these two go together, it's like they're made for each other. But that has always been part of AC/DC.
It's a Guitar Legends weekend on 103.7. It is.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following New Jersey counties: Morris and Somerset. Effective until 8:26 p.m., the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Morristown, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Florham Park, East Hanover, Chatham, Boonton, Morris Plains, Mountain Lakes, Victory Gardens, Parsippany, Millington, North Plainfield, Watchung, and Hanover Township. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 38 and 42. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 40 and 48. Interstate 287W Jersey between mile markers 31 and 44. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a